This equation, exam question relate 64 over 125 power minus 1 beta 3. This solve equations how to solutions power minus 1 beta 3 change into positive signs. 64 place change 125 upper side and 64 is the lower sides. 125 over 64 power change into positive signs 1 over 3. 125 factorizations 5 power 3 over 64 power 4 power 3. Power separates 1 power 3 1 power 3, cancel to 3 3, cancel to 3 3, 5 over 4. Solve these equations in easy methods.